So a lot of people want to go into poultry farming and they will be asking, should I do deep litter, abi I should do battery cage? The thing is that if you want to do deep litter or battery cage, this is the thing you have to know. Deep litter is very cheap to set up, but it's very expensive to maintain and manage. While the battery cage is very expensive to set up, but it's very cheap to manage and maintain. You understand? So that is just the difference between the deep litter and the battery cage. The deep litter, because they are on the ground, maybe you will not have the stress of buying battery cage, so it's cheaper because the battery cages are expensive. But when your chickens are on the ground, you know your chickens now have contact with their feces, they have contact with their egg, they have contact with a lot of things which can make them to be very disease prone, and you are going to spend a lot on medication. But in the battery cage, it's going to be different because the battery cage is what that is expensive. If you get the battery cage, that is the most thing you are going to do. The management and every other thing is going to be cheap, because battery cages, the chicken consume less food, they consume less water, they are less susceptible to sicknesses and diseases. You understand? So that is the difference between battery cage and deep litter. Deep litter is cheap but expensive to manage and maintain, while the battery cage is expensive but it's cheap to manage and maintain. So that's it.